Hi everyone, I am Kay. I am the creative director and founder of Gathered Creative, and today we are here at Balara Content House because we are conducting a Floristry 101 workshop for beginners. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we are now here in the Magnolia room of Balara Content House. We usually rent this room because it can hold a lot of participants. So we're about to finish our setup for the Floristry 101 workshop. Today we are just having an intimate class, so it's just about 12 participants. And we're about to finish, and I would like you to say hi to our team. Hello guys! Yan, hindi sila shy type. So I have here our manpower head, si Kuya Jeff. And, ayan, si Rodolfo. Hindi, si June. Ayun na tinatawag siyang Rodolfo. So each participant gets these three things. So we have the rotating cake stand. What is the rotating cake stand for? It's for arranging, doing vase arrangements. It's easier to see all of the sides of your arrangement when you're using a rotating cake stand. And then they also have a thorn stripper to strip the thorns of Ecuadorian roses. And then they also get one floral cutter that they can use for the arranging process. In this 101 class, we cover the foundation and fundamentals of floristry. From applications to structures, themes to color theory, flower care to arranging tips, we cover these things in the lecture part of our class. We provide the students all the raw materials and tools they need to be able to come up with a lush vase arrangement and a mini hand-tied bouquet. This class is perfect for beginners or those who've had little experience in handling flowers. If you're interested to learn more about styling and floristry, you may join our face-to-face workshops, or you can also subscribe to this channel to get access to more educational content. We hope that you continue to watch our videos as we express our love for curating, arranging flowers, and everything that comes in between.